In the previous lesson, I showed you a shortcut to select your dataset. Now, in this part 2, I'm going to show you an even better way to do it. So let's look at this. As you know, if I have a dataset like this, and I would like to select all my data, so I can do Ctrl Shift and arrow to the right to select my columns, and then if I do arrow down, I can select my rows. The problem comes when I have blank rows here. So in order to circumvent this, obviously a lot of you are just continuing to press the arrow down until you reach the end of the dataset, this way. And that could be a bit annoying to do. So how do we fix this? Let me show you a second methodology. First of all, you select your dataset. So we're going to select it one time, and we can use the other methodology to do it. So we do Ctrl G, and then we write A1 till H, which is my last column. And then I have to select a very big number, which is more than the last row of my data. So I'm going to do 10,000. And then I do Ctrl Shift arrow up. So I selected my data. I'm going to insert a table. So this is making my Excel data into an Excel specific table. So we click here under table. We say, okay, my data has headers, and we say, okay. We get all the data into a table. Next thing we do, we go to A1, we do Control and space. Once you do this in a data table, you can see that it will select all my column. And then you can do Control Shift and arrow right. And here is how you select all your data or part of your data with a shortcut.